Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you go about choosing a niche for affiliate marketing. Before we do that though, if you go down below and hit the subscribe button and the like button, that would be much appreciated. And click on the notification bell so that way you will get notified when I post future videos about affiliate marketing for beginners. So without further ado, let's jump in. So first off, what is a niche? We need to understand this. A niche is a specific segment of the market that you'll be targeting with your affiliate marketing efforts. It's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests, your expertise, and the needs of your target audience. When I got into affiliate marketing, I kind of stumbled into it. Somehow I got this email about a webinar, becoming a super email affiliate. And I signed up, I joined it, it looked super cool. But the thing is I actually got into a niche that I really didn't know anything about. It was promoting high ticket webinars, primarily with how to make money online, or it was programs that were to help businesses essentially streamline their businesses, again, sort of to help improve lead generation and making money online, essentially. Which my background was actually is in fitness and health and whatnot. So that's how I stumbled into it. So I would suggest don't do that. Pick something that you're actually knowledgeable about, because it's going to make it a lot easier. Of course, now I know tons because it was a steep learning curve and I had to learn in order to stick in the niche, because that's where I kind of got started. But make it easy on yourself. Choose a niche that you're knowledgeable about, and that's going to make life much easier for you as you move forward into the affiliate marketing game. So I've already talked about one example of niche, and that is fitness is an example of a niche. Technology, make money online is an example of a niche. Pets, that would be another market or a niche. Relationships, right? So these are some examples of what we call niches that you're going to get in, and then you would find products to promote for people that are interested in these niches. And pets is a really big one. Making money online is a very big niche, as well as fitness and health. So those are some of the bigger ones. To select a niche, you need to think about what you're passionate about, and then consider your strengths, your experiences, and what sets you apart from others in the market. So if you are interested or passionate about health and wellness, like myself, then that would be a great niche to get into, because you're probably going to be very strong in that niche. You're going to have lots of knowledge already, and most likely have experience, which is going to make it very easy, or much easier, for you to connect and build an audience with that knowledge. Okay, so you've picked your niche. So now the next step is to do some market research. Find out, obviously, what products are out there that you can promote. But the other thing is you need to find out what is it that people are searching for, what are their pain points, and then be able to connect those pain points with products that will help people. It would be best if you pick products that you yourself would be either willing to buy, or that's something that you can stand behind. And it's going to make it more authentic from yourself if it's a product that you actually believe in, and you don't feel guilty about promoting. So, and even better yet, if you purchase a product and then can do reviews for it, this is going to be a great way for people to buy from you, or buy through your link, essentially, because they're going to trust you. One way to do research about what is trending is obviously using Google Trends, or Keyword Planner is another one. So for this video, I'm going to go into Google Trends here, and you'll have a home page. And in the home page, it'll show you, based on your country location, sort of what's the top trends for what people are searching or looking at. Explore. So if I want to explore, obviously I'm in Canada, so it comes up in Canada, but I can choose this and it'll go worldwide, or you can pick whatever country you want. All right, and then it's got a list of categories, so I can do all categories, or I can narrow it down, obviously, to whatever niche that I've chosen. Okay, and it's going to tell me, what's the search topics that are rising, or that are popular. So you can see Chat GPT software. Okay, there's Canada revenue. So obviously you would want to search more specifically as to what you want, but this would be a great place to search to see if the ideas that you have or the niche that you're thinking about, if it's something that is popular enough that there's a big enough audience for you to make it worthwhile, right? And of course, trending now will tell you sort of what is the most obviously what's the most popular thing people are searching for at this point in time. But of course, as I'd already mentioned, things that people are always looking for in the big niches, fitness and the health, the making money online, technology now, AI is a big one, and pets, as I'd mentioned, relationship stuff. So those are always your big ones. And of course, within those, you can get more specific for your niche and your target audience. Okay. So you've picked your niche, you've done some market research. Now the next step is to start brainstorming content ideas so that you can build content so that your audience can get to know you and obviously see that you are providing value to them. So now that you've brainstormed your content and you start building that content, now you got to get your content out there to your audience. And really, your big first focus with your audience is not trying to sell anything, it's building the know, like, and trust. Okay. People aren't just going to buy from you or go to your links that you're promoting right away. You need to give them value. You got to come across as someone who knows what they're talking about. And essentially, you need to be giving before you start receiving anything. So it's really big to build that know, like, and trust because there's lots of people out there, lots of people trying to sell things and stuff like that. So you got to make a connection with people. So I would offer free ebooks or free courses or video trainings that will resonate with your audience. All right, just provide them with as much value as possible so that they get to know, like, and trust you. And then once you've established that, then you start sprinkling in your promotions, your affiliate links to your audience. Okay, so that concludes for this video about how to go about choosing a niche, doing some market research, and starting to think about building content and building that know, like, and trust. So as a free gift for watching the video, if you scan this QR code here on the screen, this will give you an ebook. It's called the Millionaire Accelerator. Okay, this is from my mentor and partner, Michael Cheney. It's a very valuable ebook with lots of great information in it. So I highly recommend you check that out if you want to be successful with making money online, essentially. And if you don't, if you're watching on your mobile device or whatever, there's a link down in the description that will also give you access to the Millionaire Accelerator, as well as there are a few other free resources down in there for you as well. So again, hope this video was helpful and best of luck with venturing into the world of affiliate marketing.